love this wig from Amazon, y'all. If you have not watched my other video about this Amazon wig, please check it out. This wig is the shit, okay? It's the shit, okay? Just so you guys know, okay? Okay. Oh, shit. Sorry, y'all. I had the cap on the camera because I'm an idiot. So basically, I made this outfit, this shirt and shorts. I made it out of this same shirt quality. This is from Walmart. George extra large 48. George extra large 46, 48. Boom. This is one outfit. I'm going to show you guys how to make an outfit using this t-shirt. All right, guys, you're going to lay your shirt down nice and flat on a nice, clean, spacious area. You're going to lay your leggings or a pair of pants that you wear often, so you know that you're measuring the right size. You're going to make sure you leave about an inch. As you can see, that's the line where the leggings start, and that's the line where I'm going to actually leave extra so I can stitch. All right, guys, you're going to cut along this black line. Then once you cut it all out, you are going to turn the pants inside out and stitch right along the perimeter of the shorts. Okay, you're going to have this much of the shirt left. Now you're going to cut the sleeves. Very, very simple. Cut the sleeves right off. And then you're going to lay them out flat. And as you can see, I'm very resourceful and also very ghetto. I could not find a measuring tape, so I just used a piece of trim. It worked just as easy. As you can see, I made like a moon shape type of shape. I guess that's how you can describe it. Then I cut along the line, so it kind of looks like a triangle in a way. And I cut 4 of these patterns out. 4. Now I'm going to cut each of the patterns in half. I made one half purposely smaller than the other half, as you can see. Now I'm going to take each pattern and stitch them. Make sure you guys are subscribing. There's a button right here. Make sure you guys subscribe or we got problems, okay? All right. And you see this is the stitch right straight down the middle. Nice and seamless. Now that's how it's supposed to look from a further view. You're going to do the same thing to each pattern. At this point you have 4 total pieces that you've stitched together by 2. At this point you're going to stack one pattern onto the other, like so, making sure that it's inside out so that you can stitch the pattern and make it seamless. Now we have each pattern stitched, as you can see. Now we're going to cut the extra off the sides just so it's nice and clean and not bulgy and uncomfortable. Now it's the fun part. It's time to cut the straps. Once you cut 2 long pieces, you're going to roll them together like you're rolling dough. Then you're going to make sure that it is even. You'll place it on the sewing machine and stitch all the way down, straight down the middle of the fabric. Be very, very careful because this can be very, very tedious. If you don't pay attention to detail, you can get hurt. Cut the excess strings. That's 1. Now remember, the bralette cup is still inside out. You are going to take 1 strap and you're going to place it through that hole. You're going to take it under the big part of the triangle and you're going to pull that strap out through the hole. Stitch the end of the strap to the closing of that hole. Hope I explained that clear. I'm going to cut the excess string. Now we're going to turn the bralette inside out, and boom. You're going to do the same thing with the other set, and boom, you have your pieces. You have the main part of the bralette complete. Now for the easy part, assemblation. I'm just like so excited like watching this as I like make it. I'm getting more excited just watching myself make this again. All right, now I'm going to take a piece of the shirt and I'm going to make sure that it is cut into a nice even rectangle. Then I'm going to cut this huge rectangle into 2 smaller rectangles. Now I'm going to show you how I'm going to stitch them onto my other pieces. I'm going to show you guys a visual so you can actually see how I am going to attach this piece. Okay, so I laid my first rectangle down. I'm going to place both of my bralette cups in between the 2 rectangles like a sandwich, placing the other one on top. And once I do that, make sure you adjust it so it is, appropriate to where you want your cleavage to show. Now I'm going to place pins along the end or edge or the bottom rather of the bralette so that they stay in place. And then I'm going to stitch straight along where I pinned it. So I'm going to stitch straight across the bottom of the bralette. Okay, the bottom of the bralette, so that each piece is stitched together. You want all 4 pieces to be stitched in unison. Now I'm going to take the pins out first of all, okay? Don't want to hurt yourself. And then you're going to fold the ends that are not stitched back down, and you're going to hem those shut. I wanted a thin band under my bra, under my boobs, so that's why mine is going to be looking so much thinner than what you may have expected. But again, you're going to fold that down. It's kind of easier to show you than to explain, so I'll just let you guys watch. And voila, magic. Mission is now complete. Before I posted on Instagram, I actually added one more thing to finish the project. I added some string to serve as a purpose to tie the bralette together in the back. You can do whatever you want, but that's what I did.